What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Z Fold 6 on deck, and today is a case video. Now, today we got a case from Pitaka. Love Pitaka stuff. Pick this up on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. You know I love their premium woven case made out of the Aramid fiber. And this is basically their Moonrise edition. I love the blue. I love the colorway. I peeped that they got like a aluminum ring around the camera to protect it, but it looks really good. And I feel like it'll go with the aesthetic of my Z Fold 6. And I can finally get my Z Fold 6 set up instead of it looking like a stock Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But as you can see, woven from Aramid fiber, MagSafe compatible, and slim profile. Also, I got the matching MagEZ grip too, so we'll talk about that in a minute. But let's go ahead and get this out, guys. You just pull up like so, and here we have the case. Now, this is only a rare case, guys. I'm starting to like these cases for the Z Folds where it's just the rear. That's what I had on my Z Fold 5. So we putting up with one from Pitaka for the Z Fold 6. The hinge is going to be out. I'm going to put a screen protector on there. So this will protect the back. The screen protector for the cover display will protect the front, and that's good enough protection for me. But look at this like beautiful Aramid fiber weaving on this case, guys, and this like brushed aluminum look. Really feeling that. So we're going to pull this out like so. Now, if you take a look at what we got going on, guys, this is just a nice minimal Aramid fiber case. Again, Aramid fiber looks really good, and you can feel that woven Aramid fiber texture. This is no cheap stuff, guys. This is real, like premium materials. I love this big camera protecting ring right here out of this aluminum. And this is not plastic, guys. This is cold to the touch. Real official stuff here. Look on the inside, guys, and we got the MagSafe. So that's really dope. MagSafe on your Z Fold 6, so that way you can, if you want to charge a MagSafe or put a little ring holder on the back, you can, just like I bought the ring holder for this, made with amber magnet film. And then we just down here, as you can see, MagEZ Case 5.0, the Moonrise edition. Now you will get some side coverage, guys, as you can see, but you'll get a natural button press. So I'm just going to remove this sticker. Now, as you can see, I done slapped on the case to the Z Fold 6, guys. I think this looks incredible, guys. I really like these blues. You can see some of the oil from my skin when I was wiping back and forth, making sure the adhesive was taken because I'm going to be rocking this, guys. Really think this is a fly case from Pitaka. Now, the hinge will be exposed, and I have no issue with that, guys, because I actually like that. I like the more minimal cases on my foldable devices. Got a nice big cutout for your Type-C. Like I said, this gives you a natural button press. Cutouts for your noise canceling mics on top. And just look how small that hinge is. I really like the build on this Z Fold 6. And the case itself, guys, is so minimum that like even though the left side don't have a case on it and it don't have this Aramid fiber on there, it really don't feel too much different because the Aramid fiber is super minimal. But this is definitely the desired effect, guys. As you can see on the back, we got the cover. That's got the back covered. And I'm going to throw a screen protector on the front, a tempered glass screen protector at that. Now we can test out the MagSafe strength with the Pitaka MagEZ Grip 2. And this is the one with the NFC chip in it. So if you want to have something set up or designated to work with NFC in your device, like some type of command, you can do that. Take a quick look on the back. MagSafe compatible, strong magnetic attachment, lightweight and thin, and works as an NFC tag, like I just said. Pull it out like so. So you're going to have like basically the ring holder and some instructions. I don't need those right now. But one of the dope things about the Pitaka ring holders, guys, is actually like this is Aramid fiber, guys. Like this is Aramid fiber. The ring is actually made out of metal. It is a quality ring holder, and I just like the look. It's on all of my devices right now. Now we're just going to take the ring holder and snap it on there, and look. It's locked in. Z Fold 6 Not going anywhere. I like this a lot, guys. Really clean look for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But I think this is a fly look, guys. I really love this look. If you want to try, link will be down in the description. This is the Pitaka MagEZ 5.0 for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the matching ring holder, Moonrise ring holder. But links will be down in the description. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.